New message received. Eyeshadow. ColourPop Blue Moon Eyeshadow Palette. I like that. e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. What a tacky situation. Color correcting with Huda Beauty. Let's blend. ColourPop Pretty Fresh Foundation. Let's blend. A natural finish. Nice. P. Louise, let's bronze. Let's blend. Snatched. ColourPop Liquid Blush. Let's blend. Oh, ColourPop, you made me blush. ColourPop Pretty Fresh Concealer. Let's brighten. Let's blend. ColourPop Pretty Fresh Setting Spray. Ooh, hydrating. e.l.f. Bronzer. e.l.f. Powder Blush Palette. Blush blindness? Never. Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. Nice. ColourPop Pitch. Let's line. MAC Espresso Yourself. I like that. ColourPop So Juicy Plumping Glossy Oil. Brrr, so refreshing. P. Louise, let's take it home. Ooh, that sparkles. How about some diamonds? Mission complete.